What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Super stoked on today's updates. Don't judge the garage, it's filthy. Been working hard on a million different projects. Got tools everywhere because I'm not done, but decided to take a break real quick and get you an update. As you see from the title of the video, before and after of the CRF. So excited to show you guys how it turned out. But first, for my original followers, subscribers, anyone into the Jeeping, if you haven't seen it before, give you an update on the Jeep. Like and subscribe for the Jeep build. Just picked out my powder coat colors. Gonna be so sick. But here's the Jeep. Jeep update. It is chilling on jack stands. All the springs and shocks are out front and rear. What we're doing here is I am actually picking up a set of Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks from AccuTune. I'm really excited on those. Should be a lot smoother of a ride. That's my biggest complaint with the Jeep right now. The crawling, it does fine. It's really made it up everything I've pointed it at. But it's really a rough ride. And I know I didn't buy it as a pre-runner, but still it should be, I like it to be smooth. So hopefully these shocks will help. Got the springs out. I have picked out powder coat for these. It's gonna be a secret, but I'm super excited to release that. Yeah, we are super excited, but gonna do the suspension. Got a couple other things coming for it, but right now we'll focus on suspension, and then hopefully I can locate a belly up skid plate. Body lift looks like crap with the shovel hanging down right here. I need to get the belly up skid plate. It'll go pretty much flat with the frame, and that will be really nice too. But I'm excited. I'll get all this painted up here so it looks really good with the new powder coated springs, fresh shocks. But yeah, things are coming together. All right, are you guys ready? I have time to reveal the graphics, plastics, updates on the bike. I'm super excited. I hope you guys love it just as much as I do. There she is. Oh my gosh, I freaking love it. It turned out exactly how I wanted. Super excited. I love the way the colors come together. Just enough red, but just enough gray, white, and black. Everything ties together perfect. I couldn't have dreamed it up any better. I mentioned before, on this one, you won't see any logos on the bike that don't mean something to me personally. I'm not a huge fan of buying graphics that have a bunch of logos for a bunch of people who've never done anything for me. Not that they have to do something, but why should I represent them and advertise freely for them when there's companies out there locally, companies online that have helped me out that really mean a lot to me. And I think those are the type of people that I want to represent as a small business owner myself. I love what goes around comes around. So thank you for anyone who sees their names on this bike. I'm not sponsored by any of them. None of them have given me anything for free. I just reached out to them and said, you know what, I appreciate your service and being part of the community, the industry, and always hooking me up with a good deal and being trustworthy. Would you mind if you sent me your logo? I'll run it on my bike. They were super excited. I love giving back, and I love supporting businesses who really take it amongst themselves to treat everyone how they'd want to be treated. It's really hard to find people that aren't in it just for the money, and these logos that I'm about to go through really mean something. If you guys have the chance to support them, to do business with them, especially you local Utah folks, do business with them. They are amazing, and they really have done a great job and go beyond any expectations I have. I will send everyone to them. Most of them I've already sent tons of people to, so really excited. But I'll go through the logos and kind of do a close-up on the bike. Coming in first off, you'll see Dose Industries. Not that I do a bunch for myself, but you all know that's my company. I have to rep it the biggest. I don't have to, but I like to. I'm proud of it, I've done it all by myself, and I'm really proud of what it's become. And I strive to do the same type of business for my customers as the people on this bike have done for me. Second off, Nixon logo. I've always ran Nixon watches since I was in high school. They haven't done anything for me, like giving me any free watches or anything, but it's kind of cool. Actually, my son's name is Nixon. I didn't mean to do that as far as like after the watch, but me and my wife really like the name Nixon. I thought a cool way, rather than just repping his name everywhere, is use the Nixon logo to represent him. It really means a lot to me as far as what the logo means. It's a lot more than just his name. He was born early, and he's really a fighter. He met all his goals, fought so hard in the NICU for a month, and everything he does is just so awesome to see. He's come and accomplished way more than the doctors had anticipated, a lot faster. he didn't have any problems, and he's a fighter, so reminds me to fight. Coming up over here, you'll see down here, we've got Zapped Headwear on the left. They do all of my headwear, hats, everything for Dose. They do an awesome job. Quality is, you won't find higher quality. Pricing good, but more importantly, service turnaround is amazing. Tyler Muhlstein from Zapped Headwear, thanks so much for always hooking me up, doing a good job. You guys reach out to them for any custom needs. I do have some custom hats that I ordered from him. We're waiting on the patches right now. They're gonna be sick, and I can't wait to throw them on a website. Maybe do a couple giveaways for you guys. Come over here. This is a logo that I had made for a good friend of mine. His name is Jeremy Hardy. He passed away when I was serving a mission for the church. And he was a really good friend. I had that made there, that it's his initials and then that we ride under his wing. He's always protecting us. Coming over here, Hellbent Industries. It's a fabrication shop in Harriman, Utah. Casey is amazing. He's a freaking fab wizard. Really proud and excited to run his logo on the bike. You'll see it there, and also over here. He has really always hooked me up. He lets me use his shop, and his welds are amazing. He does a super great job, and his attention to detail is just phenomenal. Coming up here, see you on the rear fender. Again, we've got Dose, Hellbent, Ignite Automotive. I have got to take some time to shout these guys out. I run their logo because they have been phenomenal. Customer service, quality of trucks that they have. You can go there and pick out a truck and know it's not just junk. There's a lot of dealerships, especially here, I'm sure where you guys are at too, but especially here in Utah, where they buy the cheapest, most clapped out trucks they can find, throw some wheels and tires on them, sell them, make you deal with all the problems. Ignite finds clean trucks. They're super good to work with. We've had a couple that have just had minor problems that were not Ignite's fault at all. They didn't know, and they still took care of them. Hit them up. Best value trades in the industry. They gave me $10,000 more than the other dealer on trade for my 2018 L5P that you guys have seen. Just really, if you're buying a used truck and you're not buying it from Ignite Automotive, you're doing yourself a disservice, and frankly I think it's foolish. But thanks so much, Ignite. You guys rock. Dalton, Hugo, Tyler, everyone over there, the whole team. We will always be doing business with you guys. Thanks so much. Continuing, same logos throughout. Attack Graphics, they did these graphics for me. I love the matte finish. The colors turned out awesome. They didn't have to, they didn't offer this design. I sent them kind of what I was thinking, and they made it happen, made it come to life. So thankful for that. Just turned out so sick. That's basically all the logos. I do have Enzo suspension on it, so I have their stuff. I haven't ran it yet. Gonna go ride it today and see how that feels, but hoping that I don't come home and just rip it off. But hoping that they're sweet. Yeah, so super excited. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the colors? Do you like the design? What would you change? What would you keep? I know there's still a lot to do on the bike, so the cases are really rough. I need to get new cases on it and just really kind of make it mine. But so far so good. I love it. We're about to go ride here in an hour, and yeah, I'm really excited. Got matching levers up on there. Got these new grips. Hopefully they're good. I like them a little bit soft. These are the lock-on Imig grips. They look super sick if nothing else, but I really like the way they feel too. The bar pad to match the whole color scheme. And yeah, just again, let me know what you guys think. What would you change? What wouldn't you? Thanks so much for always watching and supporting. Again, remember, support the people that you see on the bike. Again, just one more pass through. Hellbent Industries, Zapped Headwear, Ignite Automotive, Attack Graphics. You guys have helped me out so much. I'm super appreciative. I'm proud to run your guys' logos on the bike, and I really love the way it turned out. Like and subscribe. Jeep updates coming in. Gonna look so sick. Got some serious powder coating coming, new shocks. Really excited for Trail Hero here in just over a month. And yeah, like and subscribe. Thanks so much. See you guys later.